Easy steps on how to create and load Acebook Player account. Step 1. Log in. Write the username and password provided for you. Step 2. User Management. Click the button on the upper left corner, then click User Management. Step 3. Adding players. Click Add Player. Step 4. Fill account. Fill out username and password. If player deposited already, you can type in balance under Set Score. Click OK to save. Add and deduct balance. To adjust balance of a player, go to User Management and find their username. Scroll to the right side and click the Set Score button. Add and deduct balance under Set Score. To add, input a positive amount. To deduct, input a negative amount. Don't forget the minus. Sign, click OK to save. Change password, scroll to the right of the player's account and click Edit. Input the new password, then click OK. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.